Can you tell me how to code Python on Windows?
I get why you want to code in Python, given its simplicity compared to languages like Java. But why Windows?
All the calls for the downfall of Microsoft are premature, given its still huge market share.
While Python was installed on many Linux distributions by default, some Windows OS PCs by HP now have Python. If it doesn't, you'll need to get it.
What's the next step?
Read a bunch of introductory books on Python, whether dummies, idiots, weirdos or beginner's guides.
That's a fair place to start.
That's what I said, read a few beginner's books on Python.
What next?
Learn about IDEs.
I have no idea what an IDE is.
IDE is short for Integrated Development Environment. It is essentially a sandbox for your Python programming.
I thought the world was my playground.
A sandbox is a software development test environment, where you can write the code, test parts of it and not mess up the real world or your PC.
So it is like a virtual environment.
A virtual environment is a sandbox for an entire operating system. You need to pick an IDE and install it on your PC to test your code for anything more advanced than Hello World.
Does the IDE matter?
If you want to code for Windows, use an IDE like NetBeans that can run on the Windows OS too.
I heard you need a text editor too.
So use Komodo Edit or another text editor that runs on an MS-DOS.
Let's say I've written a Python program in the Windows-compatible IDE. How would I run it?
You'd run it by entering the command in the DOS window. On Windows, you access that via the Start, Programs, Accessories, command prompt.